Hey everybody, I'm here with team Sheet for Brains, and they are doing something really important for the industry. Let's start with you, Chris.
Hi. Mental health and wellness, looking after humans, most important asset in our business.
I agree.
We're trying to break it down, get vulnerable, be honest, be real, make people realise, greybeards like me, that they can talk about anything they want because it's important for their mental health and everyone else's.
Thanks, Deb. I'm curious what you think the audience is most interested in knowing about this movement.
What it is.
What do you think it is? No, I'm kidding. So what's really important about D-Scoop is not only coming for the education, right, and for meeting others, but I think the community, the sense of community. And to build that sense of community, you have to get vulnerable, and that's what this is about, us modeling that vulnerability, starting with John a year ago at D-Scoop, and this whole movement coming around that to continue to model that kind of vulnerability. That's what it means to me.
Yeah, I mean, I think that there's a massive need for an open and safe space in our community. I mean, we work in the print industry, and unless you're here, you have no idea what it's all about. The stress, the vigor, and we're creating a space for people in our industry to come and, just talk about what they're going through. Yeah.
So how does it manifest? I know I've seen a group on the D-Scoop platform, yeah?
Yeah.
How else is it manifesting?
So basically, we run sessions every quarterly. We're looking to help literally one person at a time. So we can help one person, we're making a difference. We just felt at the time that Dave mentioned a year ago, we came out of the session, John's session, and we got together and felt that there needs to be some support, some kind of framework for the print industry. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to work on 7 different pillars, okay? And as we grow and evolve, we're going to listen to what the people want, and we're going to give them some more support and resources.
I just want to mention that you all have real jobs. This isn't a company. This is something you've all come together to do for everybody. And I think that's really important to mention. John?
Yep, I can jump in. Of course, it's so important that we're just going to do it. We've all got proper jobs, if not multiple jobs, when you add D-Scoop into it as well, right? But if someone doesn't do it, who's going to do it if we don't do it, right? And it's not acceptable to not do it. And I think also I believe that these days people need to represent their businesses in the right way. And if we can help change our businesses and other businesses to start looking after people at the same time, it's well worth it.
Anything else?
No, I think he nailed it. I think that we all have full-time jobs. I'm a working mom too. We have parents. But this is such a passion project for us, and I think we recognize how important it is. And so that's why we're here. It's sleepless nights just to make sure that we're reaching that one.
I'll add one bit if you don't mind jumping in, just because of it. We just did an amazing session this afternoon where we had a packed house and it was fantastic, and everyone was in there and involved. But one of the comments that was said, which was a surprise to me, was from one of my team who actually said, since we've started doing this group, I've turned up at work in a different place, and that's having a knock-on effect to the team, and the team are happier, so it's already having an impact. So if you want to know why I do it as well, that's another reason.
That's incredible. Can you give everybody a call to action, Dave?
Yeah, I was going to say that. So you asked about the framework that we're doing here, right? Call to action, right? We're in the marketing industry after all. So we're doing webinars at least quarterly, probably a little bit more, right? We've got a LinkedIn group, so we'll put the LinkedIn group either below the video or up above somewhere, right?
Chris Hyde, listen to what he said.
We'll put the LinkedIn group there, and then reach out to any one of us. We are here to support you, and we want to know how we can help you. This organization, as you mentioned, is completely volunteer, run here through us. But if you want to get involved, reach out to us, join the LinkedIn group, and we'll take the next step with you.
Excellent, and I'm formally volunteering to help right now, any way that I possibly can. Yay!
Our latest sheethead right here.
Alrighty then. Thank you all for helping people. I think it's the most important thing we can do right now, and I really appreciate what you're doing. I don't want to get all emotional and crying about it, but it is so rare in this industry for people to really get real. And it's so important. So thank you so much. And thank you for all of you who are going to support this, because you should.
Big thanks to D-Scoop for their support as well. They've really backed us and they've really pushed it. And they've helped us make this a reality. So a big thank you to those and the other companies that support us. And to you, Debs. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.